out there. Shivers in the crisp wind, spilling into a day in the life. Look ashore beyond the storm, yes, for now the sun is gone. Storm, move on, come undone, bring it on. Shut up from a midsummer's door, move on, move on. Storm, move on, come undone, bring it on. Shut up from a midsummer's door, move on, move on.
Check it. Watch this lyrical storm form in front of your eyes. Clouds come in and swarm away from skies, cause they scared, ain't prepared for weather in its purest. When within the nature they be acting like a tourist. The storm's arrival, the survival of the fittest. Being on its rage, violent ways as a witness. I'll be glad I'm on the shelter, safe from what's most feared. Thinking how us humans could upset the atmosphere. How it's clear to one, underestimated cloud's worst. Watch your mouth first, they'll should feel its outburst. If in doubt, pay attention to this lecture. Remember that when the storm comes, the sun's out of the picture.
2 days, the rainy haze decided not to slow. Quickening, a watering soon grows. Let us go. A big wind settles in, spilling into a day in the life. Look ashore beyond the storm, yes, for now the sun is gone. Storm, move on, come undone, bring it on. Shut up from a midsummer's door, move on, move on. Storm, move on, come undone, bring it on. Shut up from a midsummer's door.